Okay, so I'm going to show you today some other ways to solve double-digit multiplication problems besides the algorithm. So the first, let's start with a problem like 46 times 72. One way you can do it is what we call the lattice method. You start by making a rectangle box. Then you split that box into 4 other rectangles. Then you put the numbers at the top. You could put 72 here and 46 here, or switch it. It doesn't matter. But for these purposes, we'll do this way. Then what you do is you're separating each box. Like this box right here will be the answer to 4 times 7. But you want to split it into 10s and 1s, so that's why you do this diagonal line here. Okay, so when you've got it all set up like that, now you can start doing the math. So you could start anywhere. Let's start up here. 4 times 7 is 28. So put the 2 here because that's like the 10 spot, and the 8 here. I can go here next. 6 times 7 is 42. So put the 4 there and the 2 there. 4 times 2 is 8, and I put it in this box because there are no 10s in 8. Then I do 6 times 2 is 12. Once I have done all my multiplication, I'm going to kind of stretch out these lines here. And these will become the lines in which I add. So sometimes it helps to put your hands here like this, to say the only thing there is 2. So in the ones place is 2. Then I add 8 plus 1 plus 2, because those are between these two lines. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. So 1 goes in the 10 spot, and then I carry the 100 to the hundreds place. 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 4 is 13. So I put the 3 here and carry the 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So my final answer is 3,312. The important thing to remember in the lattice method is you don't add the numbers you started with. You don't add those at the end. You only add the numbers in the box.